Hey, welcome. Okay, if you work with JSON, XML, CSVs, um, sometimes just opening them up in a notepad or an editor of some sort works, but you have to format it, you have to search, you have to find, you have to visualize how that works. How about if you don't have to do that? Okay, I came across this site, Herowand, brilliant name. Well, actually, I first came across it by another part of the website called JSON Crack. Stop giggling. Um, but what I noticed when I came here, more recently, that is, that Hero Wand was being prompted to try for the editor. And what I found was the Hero Wand editor, which we're going to look at in a sec, actually includes the JSON element of this. Okay, so you can go to hero1.com. They're it's open source. There's a GitHub repository up there you can go to, and you can obviously have a look at possibly supporting them like a Patreon or become a backer. It's a really nice, slick website. Okay, let's go into the Hero Wand editor. Perfect name, really is. And the first thing you'll see is it's got some demo JSON down on the left-hand side here. Okay, so this is quite a small subset of JSON, but if you start to see JSON that's really got quite a lot of nested structures, anything of that nature, then seeing it like this in the middle of the screen is really nice. I mean, look at that. You can move it around, you can zoom in, you can literally download, you can actually save the actual visual map as a PNG or an SVG. You can zoom in, zoom out. A few things like that go full screen. But the interesting thing is that you can look at the visual structure of that JSON. Okay, so you can see where everything actually cascades to. But the other good thing is that you can actually click on one of these nodes. You can see the snippet of JSON in this case in its entirety there, but you can copy that. But you can also edit it as well and see where the root path goes to. So if it gets a really complex sort of structure, it's really quite a nice way of actually finding your way around that data set. But the other good thing is the Hero Wand, how it differs from the JSON Crack is it does have XML and CSV. So if you paste in the details here of XML or JSON or the other formats, YAML, etc., you get the same sort of look and feel and operation. So really nice. You can actually download it. As I say, it's got an open source license. You can read the details about the license, but it certainly makes comment about you using this in your own website, in your own product. So if you're feeling a little bit adventurous there, but even just using this, you can sign in and store stuff on the cloud. You might not want to do that for other reasons, but at least just being able to visualize the data, whether it's JSON, XML, etc., in this way is pretty awesome, actually. So there we go. That's what I've got for this time around. We'll see.